Hello and welcome back to the Ukulele Major Scales Challenge, where we are learning one major scale per video. We've done many of them already, and today we are doing the A flat major scale. So the scales that are related to this one are the F major scale, which has one flat, the B flat major scale, which has two flats, the E flat major scale, which we did right before this one, which has three flats, and today's is the A flat major scale. The A flat major scale will start on fret 8, so use your side fret markers to see where the 5 is, then the 7, and next to that we're going to start on the 8. We're starting on string C, which is not the closest one to your face, it's the next one over. And we're going to start that with the index finger, so any notes that you play on the 8th fret will belong to the index finger. Any notes on any string that you play on the 9th fret will be the middle fingers. Any notes on the 10th fret will be the ring fingers. And we do have some notes on the 11th fret, and that will be pinky territory. So let's start our first note. Go ahead and drop the thumb and put your index finger on the 8th fret of C string. And that will give us A flat. Again. One more time. Keeping that finger in position, add the ring finger on the 10th fret for B flat. Perfect. Go to the next string over 8th fret with your index and give me C. Again. One more time. Keep that index finger and add the middle finger on the 9th fret for D flat. This is our new flat, and also the name of the next scale. And now we're going to reach for the 11th fret for an E flat. One more time. Take like a 10-second break to review those first 5 notes, and then we're going to do them in whole notes. So meaning we're going to play one note and play it for repeat like 1, 2, 3, 4, then we switch to the next note. I'll show you how we're doing it. Here we go. A flat on fret 8. Here we go. 1, 2, hold it for 4 beats. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. B flat next. 2, 3. C is next. 2, 3. D flat next. 2, 3, E flat next, 2, 3, 4. And now let's learn the last 3 notes in this scale, which are on the next string over. We have F on 8th fret, G on 10th fret, and ending on A flat, 11th fret. So let's do those 3 notes in whole notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, F, go. 2, 3, 4, next. 2, 3, last note, go. Beautiful. Go ahead and take like 30 seconds to review the whole scale. And if you can, try the alternating picking to play it. So while you review the whole scale, I'll let you know that there's a PDF for this, and when you buy that PDF, you support this channel so that I can continue making educational videos for everyone. And I have a Patreon community where I teach every Wednesday and Thursday at noon, and we learn songs, and we have open mics, and we just did a string changing party where I changed the strings on this ukulele. I added Uke Logic pink strings. They really are pink and they sound really nice. So yeah, we do all kinds of things. We also do meetups, in-person meetups. I'm planning the 4th annual one, so I'm very excited for that. That won't be until 2026, but still very fun. All right, let's do the whole scale starting on fret 8. That's that A flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. B flat next. Play with joy. C is next. 2, 3. D flat next. 2, 3. E flat. 2, 3. F is next. 2, 3. G is next. And on A flat, ready, go. Freeze, 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 freeze. We hold that pinky where it's at on the 11th fret. And we played with our index finger on the 8th fret. So go ahead and bar your whole ukulele on the 8th fret, like all 4 strings, with that index finger on the 8th fret and that pinky on the 11th fret of string A. It's nice to have that because then you can play your whole scale. And it sounds so pretty. Now let's do a little bit of review, but first I'd like to dedicate this video to Patreon member Maida because you have been so consistent. You attended the string changing party and I'm really looking forward to meeting you at our meetup. So keep up the good work, Maida. All right, review. The first scale that we learned in the flat series was the F major scale, and it had notes F to F with the 4th step being B flat. And that 4th step told us what the next scale was going to be. So we went to the B flat major scale. This scale had notes B flat going all the way up to a high B flat. Our 4th step was E flat. And that told us what the next scale was going to be. And on the E flat major scale, our 4th step was that A flat, which is where we are now. Each scale adds 1 flat note. So they do end once all the notes are flat. So we are almost done with our major scales journey. And if you're enjoying this and if you want to do a deep dive into music theory, like you're seeing how the scales connect, because this is music theory, we're just doing the practice side of it. But if you want to do the theory side of it, I have a 30-day music theory challenge where we dive into this. It's already all here, so you can binge watch it, so I highly recommend that. And then next, our 4th step today was D flat. So that tells us what our scale is next. So I hope to see you for that video. I'm so excited that you have the discipline to learn your major scales, and I'll see you there. Take care. Ciao.